In every room of your home, you can find room for energy savings. You can feel like a movie director, inspiring your family room to a greater energy performance.
This lighting is a bit too bright. Let's go with something more dramatic. Smart room, change the light setting to evening. Perfect. These LEDs are fantastic for the scene and our budget. Okay, I think 70 was almost there. Still just a little warm. Let's try this. Smart room, lower the thermostat to 68. Oh, better. Now, smart room, play roll camera. Advanced power strips on my cue. Smart room, turn off the TV. And action. Bravo, smart room. Bring the lights back up to full. We got it. Well done.
And that's how you'll feel when you find room for savings in your family room. Almost like you're walking down the red carpet.
Cut.